Hello everyone, now I will introduce our new gas spring damper for you. You can see here have two pieces gas springs. This one is integrated soft closing gas spring and this one is normal one. And here is our new gas spring damper. It's very easy to install. Only take 30 seconds, it can turn into a soft closing gas spring. We just need to put this end inside and then put the cover. Then the installation is very easy. And it can be also equipped with different types of hinge, like normal self-closing hinge and soft closing hinges. The most important is the automatic adaptive force baffle. It can be suitable for doorways of 4 to 12 kgs. Here is the damper, and the force of closing the door and the doorway it can be adjusted by this damper automatically. But the integrated one, we need to adjust it by ourselves. This one can automatically adjust it, and we also can customize it according to your door weight and your door size. We have done 10,000 cycle tests and the samples are all normal and no damaged. This damper have multiple color function, black or gray. You can purchase the normal gas spring and the gas spring damper separately to reduce your stoke pressure. And now many people buy this integrated one, but the price is much higher than the normal one. So you can buy the normal one and the gas spring damper separately to save 20% cost at least. So it's very easy for you purchasing and selling.